So this is to address the question of editing the text that's in the existing legend. I'm going to zoom into the page in the layout view using the layout zoom. The thing is that this is no longer a legend object. You know, when you come up here and you say create insert legend, it creates an object. But then if you want to actually and the thing is that gets you pretty close. It's a pretty good start for the legend. But if you want to manipulate the individual elements, you literally have to drop this, and there's a way to do it. Let's see, can I just create a quick legend? And I'm just going to do this. When you're creating the actual legend, you can get rid of that word. But let's see here. Sorry, don't do this. I'm just trying to demonstrate what happened and how we got to this point. Okay, quit refreshing. Okay. So at one point they had this a legend, not like this, and basically you did this thing where you convert it to graphics, and at that point it's no longer linked to the table of contents, but it now becomes a piece of graphics, and you can ungroup it, and then you can manipulate all the individual items in it, and you'd have to continue to ungroup this thing to get rid of it. So let me, well, I just won't save this map. But if you come down here to the one as it is, if you click on this, there's a piece of text there, and you can just make it nothing. Oops, I'm sorry, I guess you can't make it nothing. Let's see, can you delete this? Yeah, I just highlighted it and hit the delete key. And then the same goes here. You can change that text. Let's see, what is it that you said? You want to remove the word legend, okay, and change the existing text. All right, so you could here is some changed text. Just clicking on it, because these are actually no longer legend items. They're actually just dumb, what we would call dumb graphics, and that they're not connected to the items in the legend. So you should be able to just by coming down here and double clicking on these things, edit the actual pieces of text. Okay, hopefully that answers your question.